Hello people, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your downloaded JSON files into your application. Let's say you have maintained a version there for your downloaded visualizations, dimensions, measures, variables or connections. So now these can be handled by this property right here. So you just need to go to the specific JSONs. For example, I'm going to use the variable list. I'm going to select variable and I'm just going to hit on clone. So it is going to delete and create those variables again. So in this way you can do with the measure list as well, the dimensions, visualizations, and obviously connections. So I already have the connection in my application, so for demo purpose I'm going to delete two of them. I'm going to just keep the first one. I'm going to load the connection file. I'm going to hit on clone and connection 1, connection 2, and it says the connection already exists, the third one. So when I go back, so I have all the three again. So in this way you can restore your old JSONs. So thank you for this video. I'm going to meet you in the next one.